Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel TikTok. My name is Somajit and I must thank you to all of you for sharing love in my previous videos. So if you have noticed that I am a new YouTuber. I have just started my journey last month only, and I have been learning so much thing to how to make my videos more attractive for all of you guys, and I'm trying to implement everything. So there are three components that I've realized that which is absolutely required in my videos. One is the audio quality, number two is the video quality, and the third one is the content is something that I have been working upon. Second thing is video quality. I try to capture the videos where I have a good exposure of the light. And then number three, in order to update or upgrade my audio quality, I have purchased this product that is called BOYA BY-M1. BY-M1 is the product name, and this is a microphone and which is compatible with smartphone and the DSLR cameras. So if you are a new YouTuber just like me and you do not want to invest a lot of money in order to buy expensive gadgets, you can and if you just have a smartphone to capture your videos, absolutely fine. You just add this thing. It's my recommendation that you can add a microphone, not only BOYA, whatever you feel like you can purchase, but one microphone can enhance your audio quality a lot. So I must tell you that I am approximately 4 or 5 feet away from my camera, but you can see that I am making no efforts in order to convey my messages to you. And let me just quickly go ahead and unbox this unbox this one and show you that what all the things are coming inside this particular box. And now one thing, I have purchased this product from Amazon and I have paid 789 rupees, and the original price of this product is 1995 rupees. And so if you would like to purchase this product after hearing the quality, so link is there in the description below. You can just click on that particular link and you can also buy this product, and that's a Amazon affiliated link. Also, but if you are new to this channel, so please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can start receiving the notification of my upcoming videos. And please click on the like button if you like this video. So let's go and check the unboxing. So it comes along with the leather bag and a couple of booklets. One is the user manual and second one is the warranty card. It's a 3.5 mm jack, and this is the main console, and which enhanced the quality. And if you just look at it, there are one toggle button which you can toggle it to camera, and second one is off/smartphone. So if you are using a smartphone, you always should keep the toggle button into off/smartphone, and which comes along with the huge long cable and one wind filter, and you need to connect that wind filter with your microphone. And this is the clip. You connect the clip the way it is showing here. And finally the battery. So you open that console and put the battery in and close the console. That's about it, and you are just connected.